Hi, my name is Nathaniel Kai B. Gregorio from One Justice.
Hi, my name is General David De Francisco, representing One Patience.
Good morning. Standing and smiling in front of you is Jet Nacario from One Courage.
Hi, my name is Francis Paulo Torres from 143.
Good morning to all judges and my fellow Sicilians. My name is Mark Lawrence F. Monsayak, proudly represent 2 Endurance under in supervision of Miss Rosario Bidad. Thank you.
My name is Wendell Elveriña from 2 Perseverance.
Hello Sicilians, good morning judges. I am Prince Choderic S. Almira, presenting 2 Persistent.
My name is Patrick Albimba, representing 3 Prudence and under the supervision of Sir Dan Harold de la Rosa.
Hello there, Sicilians. I'm Eric Gianni Benaflor from 3 Reliance under the supervision of Mother Rowena de Leon.
Good morning everyone, my name is Benedicte, representing 3 Diligence, under the supervision of Miss Mary May Bailosis. Thank you.
Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kayong batiin ng magandang umaga. Ako nga pala si Leo Crispy Apawan, nagmula sa Efficiency. At naniniwala ako sa sabihang, tomorrow is another day, rain, rain, go away.
Hi everyone, ako nga pala si Jer Solomon, representing the 4 Proficiency. Thank you.
Sicilians! Ako nga pala si Francis Bernardino. Advisor ko nga pala si Miss Kimberly Go. Galing ako sa 4th year. Excellence!
Then get back to business.
Magandang umaga sa mga Sicilians, sa mga Horado, pati na sa ating mahal na guro. Ako nga pala si John Leon Cortez, nagmula sa 4 Leadership sa pangangalaga ni Binibining Rachel Alzate.